Next, question number 9. Electrical energy may be obtained from nuclear fission. In which order is the energy transferred in this process? Okay. Nuclear fuel contains nuclear energy. Okay. So in the reactor, let's say we talk about nuclear fuel like uranium. Okay. In the reactor, fission takes place and nuclear energy is produced. This nuclear energy is transformed to heat energy. Okay. Now this heat energy, what it does, okay, it will boil water. Okay, it will boil water and produce steam, and that happens in the reactor and the boiler. Okay, again, nuclear energy, okay, is transformed to heat energy, and this heat energy is used to boil water, and what you have is steam. Steam also contains heat energy. Now this steam is used to drive a turbine. It is used to drive a turbine, and this turbine in turn drives a generator, hence producing electricity. So the correct response to number 9 is D. Let's go to number 10. The diagram shows a manometer containing a liquid. A manometer is used to measure the pressure of a gas. Okay, and this is typical manometer, a U tube which is sort of J-shaped. So this is where gas enters. Okay, and you're told it's used to find the difference between the pressure of a gas and atmospheric pressure. Okay, now before we go on any further, let's summarize. Yeah, a manometer, I'd like you to know, is used to measure the pressure of gas. Now we have this end which is connected to the gas and this end which is open to the atmosphere. Our question asks us which distance represents this pressure difference. Okay, the pressure difference that they're talking about in this problem. So let's look at it. I've drawn a picture here. I've labeled this point X. Okay, at this point X you find gas coming in here. Okay, will exert a pressure at this point X on the surface here, and I'm calling it Px. Okay, so Px is the gas pressure. Okay, now Px here, look at this point in the liquid which is Z. Okay, Px here is the same as Pz because they are the same level. Okay, again Px is the gas pressure and Px is equals to Pz because they are the same level. Now Pz here, the pressure at this point Z will be equals to the pressure at Y plus the pressure due to this column of liquid. Again, the pressure at Z will be equals to the pressure at Y plus the pressure due to this column of liquid. Now, the pressure at Y, remember this is open to the atmosphere, the pressure at Y is the atmospheric pressure. So let me write it here, is the atmospheric pressure. So we can write, remember Pz is equals to Px. So Px equals to Py plus pressure due to column H of liquid. So what we can do, we can bring the Py to the left and we can write Py as the pressure or due to the atmosphere. So we can write Px minus P atmosphere equals to the pressure due to the column of liquid. Again, the pressure due to the column of liquid of height h. So therefore, to answer the question, which distance represents the pressure difference, it will be C. Okay, this distance. Question number 11. 4 physics teachers investigate pressure. They wear identical clothes and lie on different beds of nails. The table gives the weight of each teacher and the total area of contact between the teacher and the nails. So we've got 4 physics teachers investigating pressure, and you're given the weight of each teacher. Okay, you're given the weight of each teacher and the total area of contact between the teacher and the nails. Which teacher experiences the least pressure from the nails? So first off, let's go ahead and define pressure. Okay, pressure is defined as force over area. Okay, so we can write P equals to F over A. So in this example, or in this question, the force is the weight of the teachers. Okay, the weight. Now all we have to do is use a calculator and work out the pressure for each teacher, and I've done all the calculations here for you. Let's say the first teacher, the weight is 700 and the contact area is 13 cm squared. You take 700 divided by 13, you'll get 53.85 Newton per cm squared. Okay, so do the same for B, C and D for all the other 3 teachers. Work out the pressure and you will find that this is the smallest. Okay, so which teacher experiences the least pressure from the nails? Response will be, the correct response is B, and we're done. Okay, good.